A state-level program to commemorate the 150th anniversary of India's national song, Vande Mataram, composed by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, was inaugurated at Nazur Kalakshetra on Monday. The event marks a special phase of celebrations scheduled from March 23rd to March 30. The ceremony was graced by Governor Indrasena Reddy Nallu, along with Principal Secretary Chaitanya Murthy and ICS Secretary P.K. Chakravarti. Families of freedom fighters were formally felicitated during the program to recognize their sacrifices for the motherland.
The Government of India, under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who inaugurated the year-long commemoration on 7th November 2025, has decided to celebrate this milestone through year-long activities. In our state of Tripura, we have already observed the first two phases in a befitting manner. From state level events to school and college concern, from Vande Mataram rallies to exhibitions, the spirit of patriotism has been visible across every block and subdivision. The 44th Agartala Book Fair with Vande Mataram as its central theme was a testament to our commitment to these celebrations. Today, we begin the special phase from 23rd today to March 30th, 2026. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India has issued guidelines to ensure the proper respect for our national song.
Reporter Paparna Fumagatla, Chini Khora.